Hey there, Peppers. Lynn here, just for the health of it. And I was out running some errands and got a notification that I had a special delivery, and I knew that there were live plants in it. So, since we have been in the mid to upper 90s, my thermometer has gotten me to 100 twice this week. It's Friday. And so we've been this way for 5 days, and they're expecting it 2 more days. So since I knew there was a live plant, I wrapped up my errands and ran home because I was afraid that they were going to just leave the package out in the blazing sun. So I have some unboxing here. So I did already open up the box because I had to get the live plants out and I wanted to get them some water. So I'm super, super excited. I got 2 little boysenberry plants. How exciting. My brother gave me some salmonberry and thimbleberry for my birthday. And I have a raspberry and blueberries and lots of strawberries. So anyways, I decided to add boysenberry. It's been really hard. I've been looking for all sorts of plants and stuff to plant for my orchard and berry garden soon, but it's either stuff is already all sold out or they won't ship it to Washington State. I mean, we have blueberries here, but yet I can't find a company to ship blueberries to Washington State. So anyways, we'll get this added to our collection. And then also, because I know that there have been so many concerns or supply chain issues, I decided to go ahead and get my seed order in now. And I went to one company, Baker Creek, rareseeds.com, and they are already like sold out of half of the stuff that I wanted. But oh my gosh, what a major seed haul I have here. So let's look in the bag and see what we got. Now, I have still a bunch of seeds, and even though seed packets say, you know, like packaged for 2021, a lot of times they'll be good for, I mean, up to 5-10 years. I've seen people germinate 100-year-old seeds. So I am less worried about the year that they were packaged for and more concerned just with having seeds on hand. So I did go a little crazy, but I do know that I still have some seeds of certain things. So these are additional varieties I wanted to try, or in some cases just stuff that I wanted more stockpile for. So let's just go through a bunch of this. We have a black beauty squash, coral carrot. Oh, I'm so excited to try this one. Chinese pink celery. Here's a pickling cucumber. Bull's blood beets. I love, love, love pickled beets. Like, I eat pickled beets probably 3 or 4 nights a week. And I have struggled for the last 2 years trying to figure out how to grow beets. So I am getting a couple other varieties to try and see if I have better luck with that. I have some lemon bee balm. And this is elephant and dill. So for all my pickling. Oh, here's my free seed. So they gave me a bok choy. What's nice is they always give you a free seed when you place orders. Here's a basil, and I bought this one. I don't know, there was something, I think it was the flavor profile, but I don't see it on here. Specifically why I bought that one. Oh, what's funny is I bought chamomile because I thought I had killed my one chamomile plant. I know, impossible to kill, but in this heat wave, the one that we had 2 weeks ago, I thought that I'd killed it, but lo and behold, I found 3 chamomile plants growing in my gravel driveway. Here's another cucumber. Fine flavor, high yield, burpless, and has a great shelf life. Good standby, an Amish paste tomato for all my canning. Here's a lychee tomato. And then, of course, my favorite ground cherry. I go with the Aunt Molly's. Not only is it a Polish heirloom, but it tastes amazing. It tastes like little pineapple to me. A Napa Rose tomato. Some French breakfast radish. I do like pickled radish also, so 1, 2, 3. I had to get enough, to make sure, and then I'll start collecting seeds from it. Cumin. I thought I had cumin. I want to do some meal in a jar canning, and I thought I had cumin, and I don't know. I don't know what happened. Here's some sweet pepper. A beautiful cabbage. Now this is the only, I like red cabbage. I don't know why. I don't know that there's specifically a flavor difference, but I prefer red cabbage, and this was the only red cabbage seed they had in stock right now. Oh boy, another French breakfast. I like radish. Okay, and for my lettuce, I like the colors. It's probably all psychological and mental, but I love eating red and bronze lettuce. Ooh, and then in addition to my boysenberry, I found some huckleberry seeds. My brothers and I were talking about transplanting huckleberry because I found a huckleberry bush. I found 2 huckleberry bushes on another property I own, and I wanted to transplant them here, but we weren't sure that that would be very successful. So, but those are red. So the native wild huckleberries here in Washington are like the red low bush, and this is a purple huckleberry, but I thought I would give it a try. Okay, I am gonna try the Kajari melon. Good standby cilantro for canning up all of my salsas. And then this is a lemon cilantro. I thought that just sounded interesting. All right, oh, I must have been on a citrus kick because here is lemon basil, lemon balm, mandarin, and then I got the dragon tongue beans. Oh, here's another free seed. Komatsuna from Tokyo, dense nutrition, refined flavor. It's known as a spinach mustard. Used cooked or raw. Some sweet Thai basil. A solid blend, of course, with the reds. Another red lettuce. I bought some lavender seed. I thought it would just be interesting to try growing it that way. Giant wheat. Here's a cylinder beet. So I thought if I could get these beets to grow, I would get like twice as much pickled beet. Oh my gosh, sorry. This is way too many seeds. My favorite cherry, black cherry. Standard beans for canning. Banana pepper. Here's a yellow onion. My favorite Sugar Baby Bush watermelon. Oh, and I haven't grown red onions from seed. I did pretty good with my yellow Walla Wallas this year. They're not quite ready for harvest, but they're doing good, so I thought I'd try the red ones too. Peas. So anybody who knows Freya and I know we love our sugar snap peas, but I have not had any shelling peas. So I'm gonna give that a try. Purple bumblebee tomato. Pink beauty radish. Pink beauty radish. I like pickled radish also. I put that mostly on like tacos or, and then here's a cabbage. Detroit dark red beets, because I just need to keep trying beets. Here's some sugar peas. And then here's a standard celery. The early purple broccoli. This one actually doesn't do the whole full heads like the green traditional Sun King broccoli or anything like that. But it gives you a lot of little heads. So it's easier for me, like if I'm gonna make just one salad, I'm just gonna go out and pick a few florets, and that's good. Early scarlet globe radish. Early scarlet globe. Here's a radish. It looked very large. Okay, oh, the earliest radish we have grown. Bright red, smooth, round, perfect globes, crisp and delicious. So, it doesn't say here on this package, which beautiful packages, but maybe they need more information on their packages. I think this was like a 21-day radish. Now radishes are super, super fast, normally like 30 days, but that one was way ahead. A golden honey pepper, I mean, and it's a sweet pepper, so who could resist a sweet pepper that tastes like honey? And then just some chives. I think I have chives, but boy, I don't know. Oh boy. There's little seeds in the bag. It's either a chive or an onion. I don't think I need them, but I better make sure that, oops, it's the chive. Chive is leaking. I'll find some tape. Get that little guy sealed back up. All right. Well, I am super, super excited. I don't know. We're still not planning for me to be able to be probably starting construction until next April. The reality is, as we're waiting for permits and contractors to get in here and dig the well, clear the house site, do stuff like that, my general contractor is afraid that we are going to run into the super wet season, and no one is willing to bring heavy equipment out here in the late fall and winter. So I don't know. So the plan is, I hope to be in my house by next Christmas, a year and 5 months away. But the other plan is, since I did a small test garden here up front by the RV, I am hoping that by next year I will have some better space cleared in the back where the permanent garden is gonna go. So that's why all of these, I'm taking a big leap of faith that I'm gonna have a nice big garden space for next year. And I can get some of these radish and probably even stuff like the broccoli, do a fall harvest. So we'll see. But hopefully you get some inspiration and get outside and do something just for your health of it today. See you later, puppers.